How to create TikTok business account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your TikTok application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on a profile icon. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now go to account. Here you will find an option to switch to business account. Tap on it. Now tap on next. Now choose a category. Now tap on next. You can add email address. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also and for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.